Hiya, welcome to my YouTube channel. A busy retirement with me, Georgie. I've been retired now for 7 years and I seem to be busier now than I was when I was working. Over the years I've been doing lots of projects around the house. I like to paint, decorate my own home, I like to make things, fix things, rejuvenate things. And I was posting photos of each of my projects to my Facebook page, and friends suggested that maybe I write a book with instructions, images, lists of tools that I'm using, etc. And it was like, not sure about writing a book. Anyway, the idea stayed in the back of my head. And then late last year I noticed the TV, I just couldn't trust the TV, mainstream media. They don't tell you the truth, and most of the shows that were on are reality shows which are very far from actual reality. They're all scripted and boring. So I took up watching YouTube and I came across quite a lot of very interesting content creators. News media, independent citizen journalists. I've got quite a few now that I watch in the UK, the US, Canada and Australia, and you're actually getting real news of what's going on. And I thought, well, maybe I could start a YouTube channel and put my projects on there. So having a look around, and I came across a guy called Rob the Maritimer, and he had a video that said why people over 40 must start a YouTube channel. And I watched it and I thought, okay, let's have a go at it and see. Well, I can neither win or lose, I don't know, unless I give it a go. So I was carried on watching different channels for different things to do, learning new things, different creative things. And one thing I did notice is that each channel I was watching, they concentrated on one subject. So there was lots and lots of videos that still just dealt with the one subject. But if you've read my description, you'll see that I do all sorts. I'm into the garden, I'm into creating things, I fix, I rejuvenate, I repurpose, I recycle. And I thought, well, I wonder if that would be a niche that I could use for my channel. Got to give it a go, see how it works. So my channel's going to be lots of different things, and it's not just for retirees. There are going to be projects that you can do with the kids or the grandkids. So we'll give it a go, see how it works. Now, one thing I'm not sure of with my channel is this wheel here. Is this going to be a channel killer? Most of the channels I've watched, they have thumbnails showing you what that video is about, that particular video. And mine is, this is just going to be a bit of suspense. We'll spin the wheel. What are we going to do today? Are we going to be in the garden? Are we going to create something? I don't know. All I can do is give it a go and get your opinion on it. So I would like you to comment below and tell me what you think. Will it be a channel killer? Do you like the suspense of not knowing what the video is going to be about? And constructive criticism is always welcome. Okay, that's it for now. Let me know what you think, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great week. Bye.